Hey everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to fix QuickBooks Payroll not working issues quickly. Yeah, if your payroll isn't processing, calculations are wrong, or it just won't run, it can be really frustrating, especially when you need to pay employees on time. But most of the time, it's actually a simple fix once you check a few key things. So first, make sure your QuickBooks Payroll subscription is active. If your subscription has expired, or there's a billing issue, payroll features may stop working completely. Next, check that your QuickBooks software is fully updated. Yeah, updates often include payroll tax table updates and bug fixes, which are essential for accurate payroll processing. After that, verify your payroll settings. Go through employee details, pay schedules, and tax information to make sure everything is entered correctly, because incorrect data can cause errors. Also, check your internet connection. Sometimes payroll needs an active connection to process payments and update tax information, so a weak network can cause failures. And yeah, try restarting QuickBooks and your computer. This can clear temporary glitches that might be blocking payroll from running properly. Finally, if the issue continues, run the QuickBooks Tool Hub or contact support. Most of the time, these steps will get your payroll working smoothly again without any hassle. Hope this helped, and I'll see you in the next one.